Hello, I'm ProTinker, and I'm going to show you what I built. 3D printed box cover with locking mechanism. The buckle is tight and will not shake. After easy buckling, the box cover will automatically tighten and not loosen. The hinge is connected with consumable wire. Removable replacement design increases box durability. Stackable design for easy storage. And here's the assembly. Step 1. Thread this consumable wire into the hinge. There's a little bump inside the hinge. The consumable wire is pushed to this raised position to determine the cut length of the consumable. Cut off excess consumables. The cut consumable silk must be trimmed. When installing, push it to this small raised position. Cut off the excess. Draw a red line on the lock part. Follow this groove, the position will not be biased. The lock installation slot on the back of the upper cover can be applied with some 3D printer track grease. Push and lock. Insert the pick from the hole on the front. The pick cannot protrude from the top cover, otherwise it will affect the stacking. Install the bottom box spring buckle. Break the top and insert it into the mounting slot. Press down into place. It should be very stable when installed in place. Install hinges. Push the consumable wire into the shaft hole of the box. When installed in place, some consumable wires should be visible. This is for easy disassembly and maintenance. Then press into the hinge flap. Is that so? The consumable silk will not fall out. Finally, install the stacking bracket. So it's all assembled. Isn't that simple? Hurry up and download and print one. The print address is placed in the video introduction. If you like it, remember to add attention with 1 click and 3 consecutive.